Alarm clocks. I never use them. Don't trust them.
What do you do?
I have a mental alarm. I set my head for 6:45 and I get up.
Always works?
Well, never fails. See, it's based on your body clock. See, your body has an internal mechanism. It knows what time it is.
Man, that thing is noisy.
Yeah, we're cranking along pretty good. We're almost up to 80 degrees.
Yeah, let's do me a favor. Set your mental alarm for 6:30 and give me a call.
Yeah, okay. Wait. Okay, wait.
Two.
Wake up! Double! The electricity went out! Wake up! We gotta go! It's 8:47!
8:47!
Come on! Just put your clothes on! You'll get dressed in the car!
Idiot, I trusted you!
Craig, what happened to the building? The electricity went out!
Yeah, the heat pump blew all the fuses.
What happened to your mental alarm?
Well, I guess I hit the snooze.